Ninde koeneki obonchorere bwago ngokorekana bole asenchera endonge ekambuni nerororo asna ebango kolinde nigo babwatete ebinto bya 40 million ebyatumikire korosi ebinyugwa biri byogotindi asebendegetibuuna ekambuni eyu tebwatete lichiko nonya babwate egento ngeroro kerige kobekwa ase ebinto bikonigu kwegekoba approve na KBS igo omwanchi muri eteatrasa sensemo ya kabire ya studio torigereri na kyobonchorera bwakorekanete Chinsa mochiri oika bagachako naligwa asogotabwatiri chiko.
We received intelligence information concerning an illegal factory that was suspected to be involved in illegal production of counterfeit products. And today morning we have broken in because the owner took off. So we've broken in and we've conducted an operation in which we've established that there is an illegal factory here involved in manufacture of illicit alcohol, and we have managed to recover a total of about 1,000 cartons of a beer here called Fiesta vodka. We have also recovered about 33 drums of ethanol, whose total value is over 15 million, about 16 million shillings. The cartons that we've recovered are worth about 10 million. And we have also recovered a lot of equipment here involved in the production, an illegal manufacturing plant, which is worth about 1 million shillings. And the total value of the illicit products that we have recovered here is worth about 40 million. And this operation is ongoing. Of course, we want to establish the owners of this factory. It's Fiesta, produced by a company called Vinepack. Investigations are being conducted as we speak to establish whether indeed these products are from Vinepack or they are being manufactured by counterfeiters. We are also going to conduct a tax investigation on the people involved in this, because we suspect this has been going on for some time, and a lot of taxes must have been lost in this kind of an operation. So we're going to conduct a tax investigation to ensure that all the taxes that may have been lost are recovered. We're definitely also going to involve other agencies like the Kenya Bureau of Standards, because in the packaging materials that we've recovered here, you can see the mark of quality of Kenya Bureau of Standards. So we want to establish whether indeed this is from Kenya Bureau of Standards or they have also violated other laws involving other agencies like Kenya Bureau of Standards. And we've also gotten information just when we are here that there is another store belonging to the same people, which our officers have recovered about 400 more cartons of the same product. So we'll be around here for quite a bit today to ensure that around Theka we recover all the illicit alcoholic products that may be being manufactured around this area. No, we haven't managed to arrest anybody as of now, because the moment they realized that KRA was around here, they all escaped. But we are definitely going to know who they are, because this is a factory that has got that is leased from some people, and therefore investigations will be done to ensure we establish the people behind this. Yes, it's been in distribution for some time. Like I've told you, we know of a place here in Theka where there are about 400 cartons of the same product. So it's a product that has been in circulation around for some time, and we are going to conduct investigations on the same.
Biyakegima omwanchi omuriye nigo togendete gwesemia na kitoko kora gostogo kinya obonchereria ase chichiro cheito nabo igo machiko kiali tobwenete kobwatia buno uroche ekambuni eyo koruchinse mochiriatika nigetabwatiti amachiko abene igo monchereria onde bwensi oligereti korusiko gali ekero gotaka koigora obonchereria bwago no bwenete kobwatia amachiko korwa ase serikali kwaligereri gose endagererio koni nebwate equality takeire no bwatete amachikali ya serikali ngwa kanole bango ekiagere bango nero ne yengencho ase enseito ya Kenya kulinde togotigana nayo omwanchi omurigereria ense ya Kenya negendete gwetuma ase kwene kibuna yakinirie ebirengo bya uchumi elinde koirania amagori ense korinde buna omorai omoyia bwense William Ruto bunanyata kwa bagakori eira kagoso ase serikali na chikwene kibuna okolire obobwatani obuya ne chinse chiriche isiko korinde Kenya nigo ya isokiri bene nabogo kubwatana nenseri ya Ethiopia elinde koene kinne kibago chikoli kobeka emirobire ya bene nabogo koene kibina banyere kwa bago kinia ebirengo vya uchumi ase ensi ya Kenya ntwarora ekikampuni chiriche ya Grain Industry Limited nigo chioro kiri gotanga na asensi ya Kenya asoko ene kibina banyere kwa bago soki chinyeke chia bene akero bare go sherekea 5th anniversary yabo nigo baenegetinga babeire neba kampuni nigo yabeire monopoly ni game netinga na buboka bago produce chi grains go se chinyeke asense ya Kenya chinga kibare go sherekea nigo baenegetibu na ase chinsemo chiri chiobosi buna bwa ajabu nigo botanga ine nabo igo rokiri gwancha sana nabantu asense ya Kenya ekiagera nigo bakorosi endagirere nyo engansu nabo igo endonge akero kurigere chinsemo chiri chinyeke na buboka batanga ine na ibo chindagira bakorusi nigo chire toxic free yani ntibu ati madhara andonsi gocha ase ekero mwanya bantu agotumika igo kampuni ya Grain Industries Limited nero ya oro kirigo tanga na asense ya Kenya korinde chinga ki ensi ya Kenya egendete kubika emirobire ya bene ya anyate kobekwa asense ya Tanzania ekero ogo chikugora ebituma nigo bachenjiringa emirobere nero bwene tobwati taribuna lirimu alikwenda mwasaini agreement kuwachaka kwaegwa ebituma lioka korchinsemo chiri cha Tanzania omoraibu ense yo nigatebire bene nigo mogo ikaransa moigwana nga kiki mubwene te koimoki ebituma na ndeli goliki ekiagera kuntoroche ebituma byabere bigokea asense ya Kenya korende amachiko naroro abwene te kubwatiwa boigo ense ya Kenya nero na ense ya Ethiopia nigo yabwatanire asobwa mokoene kibuna ebirengo bya uchumi ngo kinabire ase chinse chibere igo obubwatani obuya asense ya Kenya na Ethiopia nechikogendereria nabo igo koligereria chichiro chito na kichigo kina naki equality yebinto ebwenete gwonchoreria naki obwenete konyora egento egiansu nabo igo gekobera asenga ki entambe ekigetabwati madara ndonsi ekere okugetumika yango tonyore oroboti naki ensi ya Kenya yagendere kwealigani ase okubwatana okuyana boigo koeneki ngokinebire ebirengo bya uchumi
and commerce is concerned, and this has yielded significant amounts of cooperation between the two countries. This will in turn relate to Kenya and its manufactured produce being able to be exported to approximately 100 million people within the context of the Ethiopian market and beyond. And so we look forward to this cooperation as we go forward. I think what's significant today is that the consensus has been developed that we all need to work together to create an enabling environment for Marsabit's full potential to be realized for the people of Marsabit, regional development, and to assess and to look into the transformative and potential that Marsabit has. And it's on the shores of Lake Turkana and therefore can have considerable potential as far as the blue economy is concerned. We've also are very much aware of the enormous potential it has as far as trade and logistics. It's true that through the government's efforts by way of building roads and the one-stop border post, we've seen trade between Kenya and Ethiopia significantly increase fivefold to $170 million every year. There are, of course, ongoing efforts between Kenya and Ethiopia on a bilateral basis. Ethiopia is not part of the East African community, and neither has it applied for a membership within this context. Further to that, our bilateral efforts have been put in place within the context of Kenya and Ethiopia.
Umanche umarigerere yagendera gusangana inche asensemo ya Facebook na bakonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital, asensemo ya YouTube na bakotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News, asensemo ya website na bakotonyara gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke. Korende gendera gontomera ujumbe yago enge gwitira sinambe yiriga bwa screen yago chinga kiri tkorera tokoligerere naki amafuta anyare ko bakagukina ase enseitro ya Kenya. Korende umanche umuriente tengo boliga kwanya korigia eshiringi yago ase engaki entambe chingaki ogendete gwituma iskogari asobonchereria bwago nabo igo eganga yawo yokurigi eshiringi erinde isane ensenerororo ya Israel ase emiaka gwetani 15 yabwate eshiringi ekoinie yemo eyere eshiringi yemo ase yabeirege kobororo ase nseyo gwetania emiaka 200 gose chimi Ibere korende ritukerimo eshiringi yo ekanyara kwabage kubora igo ase gwetani emiaka 15 nigo babere bakorigi eshiringi korende mbanyato mugoko ritukorie igoro ase bachite konyora eshiringi yabo ngai yasirete gochi eshiringi inigo yarenge eye silver ibo manche muri yachingaki ogendete gwetuma iskogari onya Israel yaberege korigi ekoinie yemo ase emiaka gwetani 15 aye iskogari emiaka eringa kwarigiri eshiringi ya korende togotigana ayo nigo ngoso ase sector ya tourism ensecho ya Kenya nigo yaenekiri ekerengo keigoro mono ase obonchereria obuya naboigo efai abantu koro Chinsa chesko babere bagotarira NCHO ya Kenya korende chinga kichiri cyoboroire bwa corona ntwaro che sector yo obonchereria mboirane tense ekiagera abantu mbali gwancherwa wasoago chichinse chinde naboigo NC ya Kenya ekaba affected mono asebatanya takwa bakonyora abageni bagotara korende obotukinigo bworo kirikurwa omwako yo gachagete omutenyo January oika omutenyo yugo okoiko omutenyo gatano na gatatu nigo obonchereria bwe negative bene ase abantu batarerete ekero koringanisha no mwakori oyeta korwa January baka omutenyo gatano na gatatu nigo abantu batarerete NCHO ya Kenya barenge chiribu chiminye 55 na batatu chimibere 45 nomo korende obotukiyekero bwale gokorwa nigo ba negative na nigo abantu bachete abange mono ase emitinyo yo 5 ase ba negative kobeka chibesa banyate chibillion 167.1 billion ase egekeki kemitinyo 5 ase ba negative na nigo abantu bamentete kegima abantu banyate kwa bagotarira NCHO ya Kenya nigo barenge chiribu chimikianda 24 chimi Isano na Isato na 12 ine sector ya Nyeri kwa bage koroki efaida enya ekero okorengani ne mwaka oli oyetete tiango toranyora orobotia sinchira yobwinge.
An election does not become shutting down of the economy, but it has nothing to do with collapsing the economy. And this is a very proud moment to say that tourism is even booming despite of all the challenges, not only challenges in Kenya, but challenges globally of high costs of living and energy and fuel and food, but we have done well. You have seen, we have doubled our figures. We project that we will reach 1.4 million people by the end of the year, of a range of 267 billion Kenya shillings revenue for the country. So we are not yet there, we are not out of the woods. We need to do much more in terms of, again, we have seen the challenges. There are not enough flights coming into the country. The number of people who have registered to come into the country for meetings is 258,000.
Vyake gima omwanchi umurigeria sector yo nigo ya orokiri gotwara efaida ya kirengo keigoro ko nto gotigana nayo ebengi ya Absa omo CEO Jeremy Awor na nyarko bakagwetigia emirimo korende ninchi gokomanyi asoboime ekero atigete emirimo ngai yachete agasoa guchi naboigo ekero botukio korigereria NCHO ya Kenya nigo bokoro kinga abantu nigo banchire enyama asekirengo keigoro mono ntochikorigereria enyama y'engombe naboigo enyama meyega yengoko ase chichiro cheito na kiekonigwa igo mwanche omurigeria teatora so mutimo komo keigo to koirana ntwemanyia mange astogo chigokwanira na kirigoriria mafutali ya Nyeri kwa bage ligu affect ya NCHO ya Kenya anene mono ase sector yo bosombi na ki FA ya Nyeri kwa bage gokina na boigo nto chikorigereri amagori ase chipara cheito kero kolinega aliko Nairobi gocha Gusii county ya Kisii kero kolinega aliko chimumia sina kirigoriria Nyeri kwa bali gokina kubwatikana kuringana no gukina kwa ligoliria mafuta igumwa nchimuli tobasagusuka tobasakonyegera kenda gututumira ujumbe yago asina mbejure gabo ase screen yago tutumire kerengere likiago ningige kogera amafuta akinete ase kerengo kigoromono nabo igonto chikoligereri Chinsa chiri chinde na kia mafuta ali amagori ya mafuta ale ase Chinsa chigumwa nchimuli tobasagusuka tobasakonyegera ngwira nande asegeka egeke ine omwanchi omurigereria nomanyete buna ebesa nere ekogendia ensi ebesa yago neri yorionde na chichikoretwo amo chionjorerigwa erinde kwanyora keri utagete nere onyora keri atagete
ebinto biria bikogera gwasigi kyumutwe nabyo naitwe bitobole tichitoro
na kigekogera egetaseni kia Ndizi TV nabo igona inche Frida Kerubo twerule gokoretera omurubiri bwense yobonchereria asito kumanya naki ebesa gose eshiringi ya Kenya egendete gusigikania neki shiringi chinde ase Chinsa chiri chesiko
unabona ogukina kwa maguri yebinto ase chichiro okobora kwendagira obosombi okobora kwembura na uchumi koirananse imeyense ya Kenya
nigo tugukumanya asomorobere yiga naki amagori amanya ale ase chichiro cheito ebinto ebia soira ase chichiro cheito nabo igo tuguchigotarira chi county chonsi emerongo enena Isano na Ibere imeyense yetu ya Kenya ase tokoligereria naki obonchereria bogendete gokorekana ase chichiro
ebi negati yebinke biria orachikwe manya na gukwanira asumurubrio wense yobonchoreria
nigo tugukumanya ase Chinsa chiri chesiko na kibagendete gukora obonchereria bwabo nabo igo na kibakwenana ebinto ko Chinsa chiri chesiko
nabo tekera gokorekana ase brubogiji gosori ao kurworogongo Gusii Kenya ninsenkima nabika gukumanya na gukorentera abwatani ao kurwase League buna National Super League KPL EPL Bundesliga ne chinde chinyinge keraritu kuri Jumamosi gochakira Chinsa kianda igoika Chinsa ikomne Ibere Chamaragoba Chigosori ime ya Ndizi TV
omwancho murigereria ometoboso kumbara bokobo ke bogocha bwasaria maskani egrafu kyao kyanda kyandansi kwanyako kembua ogendo boiri onyoro komenta manjeriko Gusii omageni onyo gocha bwogo anyoro goweka go kwarenge bikorto bya magani
Chingero na papa antiviral asukumanya chipend nabanyangiro burugongo Gusii kurwa chinka gichiamagega goika bono kiraritu kuria Jumatatu goika iju
ngoro ko papa antivirus umumuriyo gokoretera chingero butambe koritko ya Jumatatu goika Ijuma kuru saa 11 mpaka nseme ya Marogoba umwancho ndegereti no maitegete tsini geito nambeyemo kia Ndizi TV wasubo mu Gusii ase litoka ligotoka linganzu litoka gokunyure cyane litoka gokulira bukuma so wansu no bolo kunye kuliye papa kole na papa
umerana na papa antivirus ime ya Ndizi TV
kenda gotogwa chigabo ase getatsini geito nambeyemo kia Ndizi TV oyo papa oyo Yesu
chikwaya chire asorogonko rwa Gusii nechi nyingi mono wono Vincent Onyanja niga kuchiko kule rango yao asogo chirentera
asante sana umunchu murigire bono cyangoriganya sumuro buri umutindi umuro buri umurito umuro buri umugumu umunchu murigereria umuro buri kumanyakana osomanyakana tebuna egasinga extra
kiraritu kuri Jumapili enseye moneni suya Marogoba goika Chinsa Ibere nejide kemerungene na Isano
aiga no tokorangaria twakwana twasanga nande twatarachi kwaya mbakazi igotoka cha busikase kwaya ya umunchu murigereria nyumugwate kwaya ngwata matera manzo amatera marito igotogo chambaka gabusi ko monchu murigire twasanga amo ne kwaya ya ino gabusi ko monchu murigireria twarigire boteri bwene sabari ye kwaya ye chikwaya yonse nigoko yanyora ime yumururubwa egesinga extra alipo yeye na situwemo
ubadilike.
Watu tariki mwancho murigeria kile tukole Jumapili nguna butambe igokoletwa 90 presenter vini kolege koneta
Igisinga extra ase TV yao ya Ndizi TV
kolege konege nakiria yegwa kolete
ine omwanchi omurigereria nomanyete buna ebesa nere ekogendia ensi ebesa yago neri yorionde na chichikoretwa amo chionjorerigwa erinde kwanyora keri utagete nere onyora keri atagete
ebinto biria bikogera gwasigi kyumutwe nabyo naitwe bitobole tichitoro
na kigekogera egetaseni kia Ndizi TV nabo igona inche Frida Kerubo twerule gokoretera omurubire bwense yobonchereria asitogo kumanya naki ebesa gose eshiringi ya Kenya egendete gusigikania n'ekishiringi kinde ase